Hello sir, my name is Zayan Limulinot, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the four types of reliability. So the first is the test-retest reliability. So it is a measure of reliability obtained by administering the same test twice over a period of time to a group of individuals. The scores from time 1 and time 2 can then be correlated in order to evaluate the test for stability over time. So example of this is a group of respondents is tested for IQ scores. So each respondent is tested twice. The two tests are say a month apart. Then the correlation coefficient between the two sets of IQ scores is a reasonable measure of the test-retest reliability of this test. Second is the alternate form reliability. So it is the consistency of test results between two different but equivalent forms of a test. So alternate form reliability is used when it is necessary to have two forms of the same test. So example of this is a person is asked to fill a questionnaire in order to conduct a personality test. Suppose that a month later, the person is once again given the same form to fill with the same some of the questions rephrased. Then if the responses of the person vary widely, we conclude that the questions does not have alternate forms reliability. So this means that there is some mistakes in the way the questionnaire was designed by the researchers. For the same questionnaire produce such wildly different responses from the same individual. So the researcher must redesign the questionnaire to obtain reliable results. Though the third reliability, this is the split half. It is used to determine by dividing the total set of items or example questions relating to construct of interest into halves and comparing the results obtained from the two subsets of items thus created. So to carry out the split half reliability testing is we need to divide the test into two parts. Say part A and part B. It is better to divide randomly than follow a fixed pattern because it eliminates bias on the part of the researcher. So lastly, we have the interreliability. So it's a measure of consistency used to evaluate the extent to which different judges agree in their assessment decisions. So example of this is watching any sport using judges such as Olympics, ice skating, or a dog show that relies upon human observation, maintaining a great degree of consistency between observed. So that would be all.